If you want a business looking to create awesome website for it, then don't worry, I got you covered. I introduce to you debit Tech TV. They will take your business to the next level with amazing and stunning designs. Valley Tech expert in services like graphic designing, they will create for you the most unique designs you have ever seen. They also specialize in mobile and desktop app developing. Just bring to them your ideas, and they will execute for you within a short possible time. Social media and online marketing is another service they render. They will help your business connect to people through all social media sites, which includes YouTube growth and monetization. They also specialize in video ads designing. Get your website designed with interactive video promo. Visit their YouTube channel at YouTube name as debit Tech TV. If you want a business looking to create awesome website for it, then don't worry, I got you covered. I introduce.
Hello, welcome once again. The name still remains debit Tech TV. Today we are going to learn how to withdraw money from our Visa card. Now, if you are someone who like trading online and you have been earning money with your PayPal and you always withdraw them into your Visa card but don't know how to withdraw the money from your Visa card, don't worry, I got you covered. This video belongs to you, and if you know you are such a person who find this difficult, just like this video, comment below, and if you are new, subscribe to this channel. No, for us not to waste time, if you know you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, give us a like and comment. Please share this video for us to reach other audience. Now, for us not to waste time, just check in the description. There is a link there used to download this app called ExpressPay. Now, if you don't know ExpressPay, go to Play Store and download ExpressPay. Now, when you download and finish creating your account, this is how the dashboard will look like. So when you finish like this, what you need to do is to go to My Money. Now, when you go to My Money, they'll ask you to fill in your details. So you just type in. Now choose Visa, Master, Amos or Discover. So you choose the Visa MasterCard. Just tap on it, enter your card details. Now please enter the card number. You enter your card number here. After you finish entering your card number, you enter the expiring date and the CC what day. So you enter that code to innate. Now after that, you confirm and link the card to it. Now when you finish, you go back and you tap on transfer. So let's say you are in Ghana, you want to transfer the money from your Visa card to your MTN mobile money, or you are at anywhere you want to transfer the money into your bank from your card into your bank. So you just choose any of this. Even if you want to load your Express Pay with the card, so the wallet of your Express with your Visa card, you can choose any of them. So after that, just choose. Me being in Ghana, I will choose MTN mobile money. So in this MTN mobile money, who are you sending the money to? I'll just put mother. You can put anything. I kept my mother. Sorry, I mean the phone number. Just tap on mobile money. So now in the mobile money you type, it will direct you to where you just send the money. So you put in the amount and enter the reference. When you have the money in your account, it will direct you, because money is not currently in my Visa card. So I'm having the Visa card there already. Let me just put 1 cedi. Send it. The minimum is 2 cedi, and I don't have anything in my Visa card. I'll ask to withdraw it, and I'll go and show you the payment. So I'm having 2 cedi, and the reference is this whatever. So this 2 cedi, see, it has sent me to this place. I'm to send 2 cedi to, you see the name, go. So you see my Visa, I already use my Visa details. If I want, I can change it here, use a different Visa card. So when you type on this send, you see they'll ask me to enter my CVV, and you just enter my card details, and boom, the money will be sent. No, if you know this is recommended as what you are looking for, just give us a thumbs up and comment below. Thank you, and always welcome to this channel. Goodbye.